Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Summer is pretty close and depending on where you live, you might already be enjoying the warm weather. Here, we're getting there slowly. During this season, we tend to eat more salads along with dressings and vinaigrettes. It's healthy, right? Now, to make it healthier, here's a delicious homemade salad dressing recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Greek salad dressing. It's so easy to make, plus there are no preservatives. You can control how much salt you want, and the ingredients are fresh. It tastes so much better than the ones from the store. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a measuring cup, we'll add extra virgin olive oil, as well as grapeseed oil, or any other flavorless oil will do. We'll also add Greek seasoning. Now, to make this spice blend from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen to get the recipe. And we'll whisk until everything is well blended. We'll let it sit for 15 minutes while we prep the other ingredients. So, later on, we'll add pressed garlic, freshly squeezed lemon juice, some honey. By the way, I have a great trick when handling sticky ingredients, so check it out. Then white wine vinegar, followed by lemon zest, a little bit of ground sea salt, and the same with freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk once again before tasting and adjusting if necessary. You might need more salt or pepper. The next ingredient is optional but highly recommended, and it's fresh chopped parsley. I find it adds some sweetness to the dressing. We'll whisk and that's it. We're done. And my friends, this is our Greek salad dressing. Quick and easy to make, you can now enjoy this delicious recipe whenever you want. This homemade version tastes much better than the ones from the store. With fresh ingredients, this healthy condiment will definitely enhance your salads. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!